Parental discretion is advised.
When I'm bouncing in the club, I rep my street sign. I rep my street sign. I rep my street sign. When I'm chilling in the hood, I rep my street sign. I rep my street sign. I rep my street sign. When I travel out of town, I rep my street sign. I rep my street sign. I rep my street sign. I put on for my city. I rep my street sign. I rep my street sign. I rep my street sign.
What's good, what's good? It's Fast Movers RCTV. And we're back for the 2025 season. This is the first Fast Movers vlog of 2025. Hope everybody's having a good year. But this vlog is a special vlog. This is about the first run and review of my new Sworkz S35-4 Evo Nitro Buggy. And I've been running the World's Edition for the last couple years and a half, and it's been great. But I've been hearing nothing but good things about the Evo, so I can't wait to try it out and see what the difference is. So y'all just stay tuned. Oh yeah, I'm also breaking in my brand new Reds 521 engine. Same engine I've been running for a couple years now. Love the engines, best engine I ever ran. But y'all stay tuned though. We got a lot of action coming. All right, peace.
Pick up the money and call them
All right, we back. Like I say, we up here at Callahan RC Raceway, and I'm doing the first review on my Sworkz S35-4 Evo Nitro Buggy. I already got the E-Buggy, the Evo E-Buggy. I love it. You know, it's an awesome buggy. So hopefully the Nitro Buggy will be the same way though. But yeah, so y'all just stay tuned, man. We got some action coming, man. All right, peace. What's good, Fast Movers RCTV, and I just ran my first run with the new Sworkz, man. That thing feels awesome. It feels dialed in already. I basically put the same setup, which is basically a box setup, but the same setup that I had on my World's Edition in the setup that I have on my Evo E-Buggy, and it's awesome. The engine is still really rich because, like I say, I'm breaking in my engine now, so I'll be leaning it out. you know, as we run today. But that first initial run, I love the car. I love this car. Like, it feels perfect. And yeah, so I can't wait to get this engine dialed in, for the drivetrain to break in, the shocks, springs, and everything. And this buggy's gonna be awesome, man. I got 10-10-5 for my diff combination, and I think I got 35 weight in the front and 30 weight in the rear for my shocks. But yeah, this buggy is awesome, man. I can't wait to get it all broken in. But yeah, so y'all stay tuned. We got some more running, some more tuning. All right, peace. What's good? It's Fast Movers RCTV, and we back. We just ran 2 more tanks through there. I leaned out the top a little bit, so the engine's getting more and more alive as I run it. But the car is just awesome, man. It just really does whatever I want it to do, and the track is really loomy. They did some work to the track yesterday. Cause we had, you know, a lot of rain a couple weeks ago, so it was, you know, wet. So it finally dried out enough to where they could work on it a little bit. The middle jump is still the lip isn't there, so we're not able to clear the middle jump around where the cross is at. But other than that, the car is awesome. The rear end is super stable. I mean, I could be super aggressive with it. And yeah, so y'all just stay tuned, man. We got a couple more tanks to go, man. All right, peace. good? What's good? Fast Movers RCTV, and just ran. I think it was my third, fourth, and fifth tank. I got the engine somewhat of a race tune. I'll get it a little better, a little dialed in when I get to a race. We're gonna get to the race next week, actually, at the Florida RC Championship season opener for 2025. It's gonna be at Sundancers, yeah, down in South Florida, man. So I look forward to that. I haven't racing forever, so it's gonna be good to see all my RC buddies out there, man, and get some nice racing in. But the Sworkz S35-4 Evo, I suggest y'all go get one, man. This buggy is awesome, man. I can put the buggy anywhere I want to on the track, anytime I want it. You know, it does exactly what I need it to do. And it's just a box setup, you know. But yeah, so y'all stay tuned. Like I said, I got the big Florida race coming next week, and I'll be filming out there also. All right, man. Appreciate everybody tuning in, man. All right, peace.
Start my nitro up today. Maybe that'll make me feel better. I like the smell of nitro in the morning.
But I thought I was just gonna get the treatment.
Yeah, we definitely gonna put Tata batteries on the map this year, man.
Every job I had, I've lost because of
Just don't worry about laps and time.
Sitting in your living room with the fight on. I'll be dirt road grinding, trying to keep my lights on. The streets got colder than the icy winter, so I microwave
5 races
like
in a
a
row
Tyson dinner.
the
Ever
last 6
since I
months.
was young, I always thought I'd make it big, but since I'm from a small town, they be hating on the kid. So
I race some remote control cars.
Yeah.